Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today I'm doing a fuel pump on a Porsche GT3 997 3.8 liter, this one here. So we just covered up the car like that and put the extra cover on top to protect the car. So we had to just remove the old ones. This one's really tricky on a GT3 because there's so many lines inside here. It's hard to show you now, but I will show you inside there. Look inside there, there's so many lines on that side there. There's so many lines that go in the bottom, it goes back to the tank on the side there. And some of these suction line there as well, that goes to the bottom there. So when the tank is low, you can actually get more fuel from the bottom. So yeah, so this is the brand new one. Brand new one here. It looks very simple, but it's not. See those holes there? There's a few line. One line goes for there. One line goes for there, one that goes, they lock on top here with a locking ring, locking pin as well, and then one line goes there, and then one line on this side here goes here as well, and another line goes in there. There's a very tricky way to install them to get the actual the right route of the hoses on. Otherwise, if you do it wrong, then you got your, this is your actually float. This is the float here. This is the float I just left it there. It's safer around there. They're putting on the ground, you step on it accidentally. This is the float that tells the fuel, the computer how much fuel you got in the car. So the line have to run in a certain way for the float to work properly, otherwise the float will get stuck in full or get stuck in empty and you'll never get the right level. Okay, just a quick rundown. Now we're going to do that. We got the new locking ring as well, new seal, and new top part as well for the actual float. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.